Guys, I'm starting to think this is something more than just an S&S scream and swing. So since my last update for Project 2025 at Hersheypark, you can see the old amphitheater has now been completely demolished. There's no more, and it looks like we got crews out today, so very exciting. Hersheypark and Cedar Fair, I think you really need to sit down with the crews building flash vertical velocity and teach them how to actually start and finish projects on time. Meanwhile, Flash may be delayed until 2025. Hershey is already making great progress on just a small flat ride. Very incredible and remarkable how much they've done. So apparently some plans got leaked online showing a Whistler themed looper attraction like the one at Canova. I really hope that's not the case, but I really hope there's something a little bit more substantial here. I think an S&S Scream and Swing would be a great fit here, but we will have to just wait and see what comes into this area. Yeah, I'm skipping that. That's a little bit too long for Great Bear. So far today, I've only gotten on Wildcat and a ride on Storm Runner. I only have a couple hours here today, so I'm going to try to make the best of the time I have. I do want to hitch a ride on Skyrise, so we're going to head down. Hopefully get some shots down from the lower area, down by the Common Hollow area. And then I think I want to do Candemonium, so yep, let's go. While all this work is going on, it looks like the Skyview is still closed while they are building this attraction. But man, guys, it really just opens this whole area up now that the amphitheater is gone. Couple hours later, looks like we still got some crews working out over there, you can see. But yep, hopefully in the next upcoming months we see more progress. I'm really hoping we get that announcement soon. Usually Hershey tends to announce things in August, so within the next upcoming weeks, we should probably get an announcement, hopefully. the 2 final rides there on Sky Rush and Candamon. Only managed to get a total of 4 rides. Today is super busy today. Unfortunately that's all the time I had today. I got stuff going on this afternoon, so I'm not able to stay too long. But anyways, guys, if you like this update, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA and J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.